Guys, what's going on? This is Nathan Williams here, and I want to talk about fear and anxiety in relation to customers. Okay, one of the biggest things that salespeople have a problem with is the fact that they are sometimes afraid to go up to a customer. You know, that's normal. That's healthy, actually. That's your stomach telling you that that you're outside your comfort zone. The biggest thing about being outside your comfort zone is that's when real growth happens, okay? If you're comfortable and doing everything and what you're doing, you're going to keep on doing the same thing the same time. Quite frankly, that sucks, okay? Sometimes it's good to be outside your comfort zone. It's good to have that little knot in your belly that says, hey, I don't know what's going to happen here. That's one of the things that I struggle with. I've been in the car industry now for almost about 10 years, and even though I'm considered a veteran, sometimes I get fear and anxiety. That happens. That's normal. The big thing though is that you got to acknowledge that and then continue to move forward, move on. Move past that, okay? As soon as you go out there, you greet somebody, you know what? All that stuff's going to go by the wayside. And the best thing that I can say as well is that when you say hello to somebody and you greet them, give them all your attention, okay? Look them directly in the eye. Let them know that, forget everything else. They're the most important thing, okay? Because the customer really is the most important thing. The customer is what drives everything. We're customers. You, I, whoever's watching this video, we go out, we buy things, okay? We want to be treated with kindness, respect, and courtesy. That's how my customers want to be treated. That's how I want to be treated when I'm out there shopping. So know that the fear and anxiety that is out there right now, that is normal. The best thing, though, is to acknowledge that and then continue to move forward, okay? I don't